Hello, I'm Melissa. Today's video is about using time markers with be going to. We'll also be looking at the different forms and how to make questions. Let me tell you about some of my plans. I am going to meet Tim tonight. It's a family lunch this weekend. We're going to have lunch on Sunday. I am going to travel to Tokyo next month. Let's focus on the underlined words. In the first sentence, I am talking about my plans for the evening. My meeting with Tim is arranged for the evening. We know this because of the word tonight. In the second sentence, there is a family lunch on Sunday. As a family, we are all going to be there. We have agreed to have lunch together, so it is arranged. We know when it is in the future because it says on Sunday. In the last sentence, I have planned to travel to Tokyo. It's in the future. We know this because the words next month are used. When you talk about what you plan to do in the future, you can use words or phrases which refer to specific times. Words and phrases like tonight, on Sunday, and next month are called time markers. We use time markers with be going to. Let's move on. How can you use time markers with be going to? Let's look at an example from before. I am going to meet Tim tonight. In this example, we start the sentence with a subject, which is the pronoun I, followed by the helping verb to be in the present form. After that is going to, and then the base form of the verb meet. The time marker is used after the object Tim. Let's look at some time markers you can use with be going to. Tonight, tomorrow, next week, month or year, on a day of the week, this morning, evening, weekend, month, year, soon, in a year. Let's look at some examples. I'm going to go for a drive with Jeff tomorrow. Fiona is going to prepare for her exam this weekend. We're going to fly to Toronto next year. How can you make the negative form with be going to? Let's look at an example. I am not going to meet Tim tonight. To make the negative form with be going to, you add not before going to. Here are the different negative forms. I am not going to meet. You are not going to meet. He is, she is, it is not going to meet. We are, you are, they are not going to meet. For the short form, you replace the first letter of to be with an apostrophe to make a contraction. Here are the negative short forms. I'm not going to meet. You're not going to meet. His, she's, it's not going to meet. We're, you're, they're not going to meet. Let's look at some examples. She's not going to travel to Denmark this April. We're not going to have dinner at the restaurant tomorrow. How about making questions with be going to? Let's look at an example. Are you going to meet Ron tonight? Yes, I am. To make yes/no questions with be going to, you start the question with the verb to be. This is followed by the pronoun and then going to with the base form of the verb. Here are the short answer question forms. Am I going to meet? Are you going to meet? Is he, is she, is it going to meet? Are we, are you, are they going to meet? Let's look at an example. Is Nancy going to travel to Vienna next month? No, she isn't. How can you make WH questions with be going to? Here is an example. Where are you going to travel this July? For WH questions with be going to, you start with the WH question word and the verb to be, a pronoun, and then going to with the base form. You can also make WH questions in this way. You start with the WH question, the word and a noun, and the verb to be, a pronoun, and then going to, and the base form of the verb. Let's look at some examples. When is Manuel going to arrive this weekend? Which school are you going to study at this year? Now you can use be going to with time markers. Today we learned when we use be going to with time markers, how we use different types of time markers with be going to, using the negative and question forms. Thanks for watching. See you later.